My name is Charles Tran, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Novice Builder.
Hi, my name is Charles Tran.
Today we're taste testing and giving an honest review of Bryan Johnson's Blueprint Protocol, a daily stack designed to optimize longevity. Let's dive in. I start with extra virgin olive oil. It says 1 teaspoon, but I took 1.5 teaspoons, which Bryan Johnson is okay with. He often mentions that taking a little more is fine.
Okay. Smells like olive oil. So it's a 1 teaspoon of this drink. This is 1 teaspoon. So let's see. 1 teaspoon comes in. I'm gonna see how it tastes, okay? Wow. Exactly what Bryan Johnson says. Right on the throat. Tingling. But hey, it's healthy. So that's done. Let's go to the next one. Longevity protein. Bryan Johnson wants is he's gonna mix it with his nut mix, but I also want to put more flavor to. I'm getting more fruits that I'm gonna put in there, which is my blueberry, my raspberry, and some of my strawberry I'm gonna put in here as well. So the first thing I'm gonna try first is to take my protein out and see. And in the protein mix, there is a scoop. Remember, he has scoop for everything. So this is 1 scoop of the protein mix right here. Remember, this package comes with the scoop. Don't forget the scoop, okay? So I'm gonna try that here. So that's one thing. I'm gonna try my blueberry nut mix. This is the one. And see how that goes. And it's supposed to come with a scoop. There's a scoop. So you take 1 scoop of this and drop it in here. Okay. I have in here blueberry, raspberry, strawberry. Okay.
As you can see, I'm using either cashew milk or almond milk. I just make sure it's organic whenever possible. But really, you can use any type of nut milk that works for you. It's actually a good idea to rotate them too. Like cashew milk this week, almond milk next week. Just switch it up depending on what you enjoy.
So here it goes. This is how it's gonna taste like. Not too bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Yeah. So the next thing on my list is my longevity mix. I'm gonna try this out. So I put this here. I take out a cup and gonna get my water. And I'm gonna go look for my, there we go. This is Bryan Johnson's 1 scoop of longevity mix right in here. And I use my stir. This is my stir. Then I stir it. So get that in a nice blended mix. And I'm gonna see how it tastes, okay? Here it goes. All right. And this is how it looks. All pinky-ish. Not bad. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start doing a checklist.
Keep in mind, you take these pills daily.
So I got essential capsules. 3 of my essential capsules. Here he goes. Next one, essential soft gel, 1. I take 1 of this. And I label this. See, it says 3 here. Yeah, you can see 3. Then I label this as 1. So every morning we'll open it up. I wake up and just take 1 and see how it tastes. So I label this as 1. 1. Okay, that's done. And then my next one is the NAC Ginger and Curcumin. This is it right here. I need 3 of this. So I'm going to take out 3 right here. 3. So I label this 3 right here. I label 3 so that every morning I just pop it open, throw it in my mouth, and swallow. That's what I hope to do every day. The blueberry nut mix, I already done that, so I'm gonna put that aside. The red yeast, and I'm going to take this one apart and pop in my mouth. 1 of this red yeast. There we go. So I'm gonna try this protocol. Every 3 months, I'm gonna take my blood test. I'm gonna put it online to see if it actually improves, and if my health is improved, it's thanks to Bryan Johnson. Stay tuned to my next video. I'm gonna post every video for the next few months to show my results and see how everything of Bryan Johnson's nutrition will help me. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. If you have comments, ideas, put it into the YouTube channel.
Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my upcoming projects and videos.